Go there, how much, bro?
450.
450. Oh, nah, man, cheaper.
So, like this 250.
Like what, 250?
This is set 250.
Yeah,
This
shit.
is holy shit.
So we're off to Pratunam Market. I think that's it. Is it? I'll write it down in the words if I said it wrong. Let's have a look, shall we? Just away? I thought he was looking where it was. Well, I don't know where this market is. We'll find it. Looks like just... Huh? Pratunam Market is where we are going. Oh, I should have went at 7 and got a beer. Eh? Oh, is it down there?
No, I think this is kind of everywhere around here.
Oh, this area. Oh, this car's going. It's quite a lot. Oh, there's all stuff down here. It's all over the place, isn't it? Oh, look. What do you fancy? Fancy some prawns? Oh, there's some shades. I know the ones I want, the Mark Jacobs ones. Oh, that one's quite nice.
Hello.
Hello. What do you reckon? What do you reckon?
Alright.
They're alright. Huh? Huh? How much are these?
100.
100? So look, do I look right? They look right, are they too big?
No, they're not too big.
Not too big.
The only
Okay.
thing is this is that brown, isn't it?
Yeah, I like the brown.
Oh, no.
What do you reckon them ones?
Those are brown.
These are better? Loads better. They've got Prada on the side, don't they?
I don't know, like...
Right. I'll have these ones instead. Yeah, them ones. Clean one, huh? Oh, what do you reckon them one? No? I quite like them. I'll use it.
200 baht.
Ah, they're 200. Oh, there you go. Cool, 100 baht, yeah? There you go, I've invested in some shades. Bit mad up there. Didn't quite. I need some food. Let me get some food. Hello, sorry cap. Can we have the deep fried chicken with salt? Deep fried crispy pork. With that.
This,
Yep, that.
yeah. This one, nah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
This one as well, please.
this
Okay.
this one and some sticky rice.
Sticky rice, one.
Yeah.
Yeah, would that be enough?
One or two.
Will one be enough?
You want to share one or you got two?
One. Yeah, one cup.
Okay.
Oh, and can I have a big Leo?
Riêng hả?
Or large Leo?
Ngon, okay.
Yeah, would you will.
Can I just get a Coke?
Coke
Coke.
okay.
Okay, salty. The crispy pork's come out. And the sticky rice. Small pork's got sticky rice out. Let's try sauce. Is that hot? Oh. Down there. Yo. I'll need the rest of that food. Are they bringing the rest of that food?
Yeah, I think so.
One's for the silent one.
Hello, what you want?
We're just missing some of our food.
Yeah, it was 2 dishes.
Before you order.
Yeah, we've ordered, yeah.
ก็สอง6เหลืออะไร
We'll see if we did. They don't even know. They even when the woman.
We have to order coming.
No?
That's fine.
Yeah, before order have to order ฮะ
What?
Don't
Did you say?
I'll ask.
ชาสาวรส2 แก้ว แล้วก็ชาสตรอเบอรี่ชีสแก้ว 1 จากโต๊ะ 20
You say it's coming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, right, thank you. Okay. It's coming. Oh, the chicken's come out now.
บอกเผ็ดมันบอกเผ็ด
Hot.
Hot.
Right. Try some of this sweet stuff. Look at this.
Sweet chili.
It's a sweet chili. It's yellow. Yellow. Oh. I think the chicken was so hot, I couldn't really taste the sauce though. It's sweet, but it's chili. It's more chili than sweet.
Mate. You know this one? You know this?
It's got the crispy wonton stuff.
Well, that's sweet.
This sauce comes with it.
Sweet.
Really bloody sweet. Really sweet, isn't it?
No, no.
It's almost like
If
marmalade.
you have it with this,
Mm.
it tastes like donut.
Oh,
It's like donut. If you have it with this, like, it's like syrup,
yeah.
and then it tastes like donut.
It does. Now you said that, it does taste like a donut. Must be the dough around this. Oh no. Even with that now. Now you said that, tastes like the hot donuts on the seafront. So it was 595 baht for rice, crispy pork, crispy chicken. Was that it? Oh, and these horrible donut prawn things. It's too sweet, even I can't eat them. I eat bloody everything. Sangers. Double cup. That sucks. So I've got a Sangers and Coke in here. 183 baht.
สั่งของมา
Right, back on road. Back on road. Oh, look, there's a cannabis place. Oh fuck, my belly's hurting. That chicken. Go down here then. Oh yeah, it's going up. You sure?
Not going anywhere. I might see something.
Yeah. Oh my god, my belly is fucking hurting. Oh no.
Good at hey.
So where did you say the toilet was?
เดี๋ยวต้องเลี้ยง
So them stalls up there, aren't they? They're all very small stalls around here, innit?
And on the last day, whatever money I've got left, I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Bit of corn. Oh, excuse me. Yeah? Yeah, I do like them. What's this? Crepes. Nut of the cocoa. What's in here? Have a look in here. It's quite big, isn't it? Let's have a look, shall we? Oh. Bit of aircon as well, isn't it? So if we do, for some reason, just buy another case to go home to England. Yeah, I've been down here, innit? Find us a new section to go down.
That's why you went to the toilet, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we didn't go up this way. We went up that aisle on the next.
Right. Okay, so find somewhere new to have a wander. I want a hat.
Đi vào ban luôn nè. Mất tiền.
What is that? I'm a spider in a gob.
Mai mình ăn chưa hả?
They're the worst nights ever, aren't they?
160.
It's warm, isn't it? Hanu. Sport. What's that? Singapore as well. Nice, that's hilarious. Look, that's not even New York. Like New York's copyrighted. Ain't even copyrighted. WY. Nine. What is that, mate?
40 I have.
9. That's nice, that's 9. Straight down or down now? Take a pick.
Going down.
Straight down?
Yeah.
It's all birds' clothes. Ladies' garms. But I feel bad for having a camera, and some people like that. Yeah, the amount of people I've seen live streaming, so many people like who own stalls just like live stream. Yeah, on Insta, she was live streaming them, wasn't it?
You wanna wear that now? Wait, what do you say?
You know, too much.
Not much down this part, it's all birds' clothes, ladies' clothes. Right, this is mad. There you go. Bikes and whatnot. Well, almost done. That's quite mental still. Excusez-moi. Oh, we did come down here before.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just walked back because there was that shop. I think it's this right here.
Oh, right.
Go on the ground, we haven't been down here.
Right, so we go to the end here and then dash a right. Let's do that. Ah,
This is cool.
ah, fueled by haters. Oh, my feet are killing me. My feet have had it. Why are we going to go down here or the middle bits?
Oh no, we didn't come in this way. We come in
Yeah. Oh, maybe we finished. We finished it all, do you reckon?
Yeah. I think so.
We sit down, have a beer somewhere,
Even if we see it, it's probably really different.
have a Leo, Song Leo cup. What are you laughing at? Yeah, that's it. That's what it is. Song Leo 2. She laughing at me because of my Thai lingua. I'm basically Bangkokian. See? I'm even making up words. I'm Bangkokian. No. I think we know where we are. On the way back now. On the way back. Are we going home now? Should we buy an Arsenal shirt as Arsenal the best team in the world? How much are they?
Hello.
Ah, sorry cup.
Hello. I want to buy.
By
450.
Changed man.
Change man.
Drink beer.
Yes.
Oh.
You buy it.
Chelsea, bro.
No. I give you.
No, Chelsea, you don't want Chelsea, you want Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Yeah, Arsenal. You go there, how much, bro?
450.
450. Oh, nah, man, cheaper.
Like this, 250.
Like what, 250?
This is set 250.
Yeah, that's
This
shit.
is only shit 450.
Nah, how much? Come on, a good price, bro.
450. Good
I
price.
said, nah, it's got to be better. It's got to be 350. Pat Pong, 350.
350 can. I give you 400.
350,
That's the
bro.
last price. How much?
I need
Really?
350. I need a 350.
This is quality.
I need a 350 now, man.
Only 50 less. Yeah.
Yeah, 350, yeah?
450. 50 discount. 450.
How much for three?
3 piece. 1,200. I want no discount. This is wholesale price.
Bro.
More discount.
I want to, I'll charge them more. Barcelona, 7,000. It's not like mad. Crappy thing. Anyway, 350, come on, I'll 350 now. Yeah, you get them 3, 6, 9, 12, 300 each. 350.
10 piece
I can't do 10.
Really? This is wholesale.
I only want it now, innit? Otherwise, I'll go to Pempo, Patpong. I don't know where the size I am, but okay. No worries, man. Take care, bro. What is my man after now? What are you after? What you need to get?
No, I didn't know what it sold, but I wanted to see.
Oh look, the old what's that? Handmade leather. So I'm paying this geezer $250 in a Bandara.
Be careful, you.
So I'm paying extra because he's a funny man. Make me laugh. Yeah, mate, you got music?
Connect your phone, Bluetooth.
Huh?
Bluetooth.
With it? Yeah, pull whatever on, whatever you want. Where? Let's have some tunes, fam. See, hold your phone.
Is he gonna do it?
I don't know. Oh, mate, where's the tune? I think from our phone, isn't it? Well, oh, now. Yeah. Oh, it's the singers.
Hershey's chocolate balls รสคุกกี้สุดช็อกโกแลตและคุกกี้สุดครีมลองเลย
Cuando yo la vi y decía esa mujer fue
Se mueve, la mujer tiene poder. Dice que lindo, baila conmigo sin filtro.
tienes el toque. Me porque todavía no he subido el challenge. Si fan del tuyo, baby, las demás se salen porque tú estás dura.
Yo estoy dura, mano arriba porque luzco muy bien. Estoy dura, papacito, te subo de nivel. Mira cómo brilla mi piel. Que no me lo muy bien así. Me di un 20 de 10.
Estás en primer lugar. Con esa baby yo quiero bailar.
Spinning, bro!
No baila que te frene. Eres una general, por eso te ves fuera.
Toxic Wars.
Tira la pista urba, mami, si tú eres calle, me pierdo en esa curva. Bailando tiene resistencia en maratón. Le llama la reina del reggaetón. Cuando yo la vi